Good afternoon. We are at Electronica India 2025, and today we are at V5 Semiconductors stall. With us, we have Mr. Vinay Kumar, who is the director for V5 Semiconductors. Hello, Mr. Vinay. How are you doing?
Yeah, thanks a lot. How about
So
you? Yeah,
good, sir.
yeah.
So, how is Electronica India 2025 for you?
Yeah, in fact, this is our third session in the sense like we had participated pre-COVID and also in 2019. This is our third edition. I mean, it's really good, especially first day and second day. We could see a lot of footfalls and we could meet our existing clients and also the new set of clients. And it's a learning curve for all sorts. Yeah. Yeah.
So, can you please tell us, our readers, about your V5 Semiconductor, what you are into, what kind of innovations you are getting into?
Yeah, basically we are a 12 years old company. So myself and Manjunath, we both are the partners, directors. We found this company. And in terms of technology, it is evolving day by day. And what we do basically is we try to bring the new technology to our client base. Basically, we are addressing the defense and aerospace market, wherein the demand for the components, electronics, electromechanical is picking up daily basis. And we want to bring the best technology so that the customer can avail that technology and bring the quality product out of it.
Can you please brief us on what kind of product line you have?
Yeah, so there are various products. In a way, I mean, we have two business verticals. One is into design services, and the other one is component distribution.
Okay.
So, design services is in-house value-added services, what we give it to our customers. So, for example, customer will come out to us with the schematics.
Okay.
So, we take up the PCB designs. We do the CAD work, we do the layout designing, Gerber file, and
Okay.
we also help customers in building the product in terms of PCB fabrication and PCB assembly. So that is on the design part. So under distribution, we bring the technology from various countries across the globe who are pioneering those products, and we help the customers in terms of designs, sample support, technical support, and after sales support also. Yes, yes, yes.
So, your design support, I mean, you have been there for 12 years.
Sure, yes.
How do you see Indian engineers coming up in this domain? Because there is a lot of push in last few years from the
True.
policy side.
Yes.
How do you see the market reacting to this?
Yeah, personally, what I feel basically 5 to 10 years back, engineer coming out of the college used to prefer the software industries. Now I have seen totally different. They are coming behind the core subjects. One is electronics and one is mechanicals. So when I talk about the electronics, there is huge demand, especially the embedded hardware designs. And if you talk about the mechanics, the aerospace and defense market is looking for the mechanic designs. So that way I see, in fact, instead of me telling the students, they are also getting to the market and they're going towards the right domains, electronics, mechanicals, and choosing the customers, in fact, the companies. Yes.
So, I mean, are you also involved in any collaboration with the academic institutions as well?
Yes, we work with IITs,
Mhm.
especially IIT Madras and IIT Mumbai.
Okay.
We give them the latest technologies, and it is helping them a lot. And they're trying to incorporate and bring it the product from their side. Yeah.
Okay. On the distributions front, I'd like to understand more who are the people, OEMs that you are collaborated with whose products you are coming up with in the Indian market,
Yeah.
and how you are supporting them. You're supporting your customers
Yes.
using that.
Yes.
You are hand holding your customers.
Yes. Very much. So just there is one new technology called MRAM, magneto-resistive and access memory. So we have tied up with one company, South Korean company called NetSol. So basically, we are trying to build that, bring that technology and introducing to our customers. So earlier there was a technology called Flash, E-square Prom. Now it's a new technology, and we are trying to push this technology to our customers for their benefits in terms of giving them the data sheets of the part, sampling, the technical support locally, so that it will be easy for them to switch over from the existing technology to the new technology. So it gives a lot of benefits. So at the same time, the quality of the product also will enhance.
So, I mean, since you are in this domain for now more than a decade, how do you see market Indian market especially, adopting, because you have been meeting your customers
Yes.
also for last 3 days.
Yeah.
So how are they coming up to adopt those technologies? How fast India is reacting to that?
Yeah, in fact, they're very fast. If you ask me, that is my personal experience. And they ask the relevant questions to us. Do you have this part? Do you support this technology? And they're already kind of ahead of us in that sense. Yeah, that's really
That's
good.
what
Yeah.
we, as a media, also look forward.
Yes.
More the absorption of new technology.
Yes.
On the policy side, also there is a push.
A lot of things. Yes.
Since you are into designing also,
Yeah.
so how do I mean? Is there any word of advice for the policymakers also?
Yeah, basically, when it comes to the academics, this incorporation of these technology softwares, like for example, PCB designs, it's already there in the academics. So VLSI design is the one next thing. We have to see more of a VLSI design. Yesterday, I met some of the professors. So they are also telling there is a engineering for the VLSI completely.
Exactly.
So that's a good thing, and really appreciate that. And it should be more colleges need to adapt that. That way, because of the Make in India, Made in India, the semiconductor manufacturing also is going to happen. It started already. So it will be the next 5 to 10 years. So if the people, I mean, the students are equipped with those skills, they have a bright future, and also the necessary job skills also would be there.
So I'm sure the engineers who will be coming to the market very soon. This is a word of advice from Mr. Vinay. You should look at this.
Yeah, this is yeah.
Exactly. So last thing I would like to understand from you, sir. I mean, the entire scenario that we also do our own research. Not only tier one colleges, what we are seeing tier two, tier three city colleges.
Okay.
They are also coming up.
Yes.
Have you seen, as an industry veteran, have you seen that trend yet? Or
Yes, many of the few colleges placement officers always keep interacting with us. So they're asking us to give the advice, what curriculum, skill sets that the industry is looking for. So I always tell them, at least from last 2 to 3 years, I'm telling VLSI design. It's the one domain they have to look at it, and embedded hardware designs. So instead of we buying the modules from outside, we have to develop from here.
our own.
That's what I give based on my experience.
Right. And what you would like to address to your customers, sir,
Okay.
about, I mean, why should they come to V5
Yeah.
and what kind of support they should expect from V5?
Yeah. So what I would recommend our customers to approach us is basically for the latest technology products. So it is not just a distribution what we believe in. It is a value-added distribution that we believe in. We handhold the customers in terms of technical data sheets, samples, any queries to be addressed, we will do that. And once the product is up and running, we also provide the after-sales support. So that's a value add we are trying to create.
Great.
The learning curve for us also, we are also learning day by day.
Exactly. The more number of interactions, the more.
Yes.
It's a win-win situation for sure.
Yes, correct.
Great, Mr. Vinay. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks.
It was pleasure
Really
talking
nice.
to you.
Pleasure talking to you.